Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video.
In this video, I am going to show you how to show margin in Excel 2016 print preview. Let's get started. At first, open your Excel workbook. Then zoom out the workbook. Then go to the page layout menu. Select the size drop down menu and choose your size. Now I am select A4. Now you can see here the page ratio. Then this zoom out the page. Then select the page, click and drag on your mouse and go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu and choose line color black, and again go back this option and select the line style thicker, and again go back this option and choose outside border. Then go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see we show margin in Excel print preview very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.